Good day everyone. So we will discuss again our new lesson. This is our sample lesson in science, specifically in grade 4. So this is in quarter 1, which is materials that absorbs water. So it is in week 1, chapter 1, properties of matter for grade 4 lesson. So for our activity, we have to name the different pictures and tell if it is a solid, liquid, or a gas. So based on the pictures given, what are solid, liquid, or a gas? So you need to fill up the chart or group the materials according to the state of matter, which is in solid, liquid, or in a gas. So for our engage, so we have to ask these questions. How did we group the materials? Look at the materials you have listed. What if I place one object in a basin with water? Observe what happens. For our explore, so activity 1, which materials absorb water and which do not? So what you need, we have rubber ball, we have cotton balls, we have sponge, we have face towel, rug, and t-shirt. What to do? First, the whole group will listen to the instruction given by the teacher. Second, form a group of 4 members each and choose among your group the person who will act as chimer, recorder, leader, and presenter. The third one, put the materials one by one in a basin, observe its characteristics, and write them on the chart below. Fourth, lift up the material and squeeze. Let the water drip down on the basin. Did the water come off? Did the material get wet? Is the material heavier when wet? Fifth one, we have record the observation in the chart. Do the same for each material. And the last one, we have to discuss your observation. Present your data chart in a class. For our explore, based on our activity that we done, so we have to name the object. For table 1, for table 2, we have to write the characteristics of the material before adding water and after adding water. And we have to put check if the material absorbs water, or X if does not absorb water. So for our explain, the following are the guides or questions for you to answer based on the activity that we have done. So first one, what are the characteristics of each of the materials before placing them in water? Did all the materials absorb water? Third one, which of the materials absorb water? What are these materials made of? And which of the materials did not absorb water? What are these materials made of? So these are different materials in our environment that can be classified according to their properties. So they can be classified based on their ability to absorb water. Some some materials can absorb water more than others. So, how did you find the activity yesterday? So, remember, porous materials are materials having small holes that allow air or liquid to pass through. So, cotton is very porous, which makes it a natural absorber of water. So, non-porous materials are materials do not allow air or liquid to pass through. So, plastic is a non-porous, which is these materials does not allow water to pass through. When we say absorb, it is to take in or something such as liquid or a natural or gradual way. So why would some people prefer to use plastic bag than a paper bag? During rainy days, what kind of materials are you going to use to prevent you from getting wet? Explain why. For our evaluation, so the direction, put check on the blank before the picture if it is absorb water and cross if it is does not absorb water. For our extent, collect at least 10 materials and test them as to whether or not the materials absorb water.